Hello everyone, what I'm going to do right now, by the way, this is Karen Guzman. I'm going to show you on how to navigate and create or connect two apps or software using IFTTT. So this is one of our tasks in virtual lasting. So I've already watched the YouTube video on how to create an IFTTT account. So let me just give you the meaning of IFTTT. That's what I've searched on Google and that's what I've understand. So the meaning of IFTTT is if this, then that. So how does it work? IFTTT helps you to connect all of your different apps and devices. So when you sign up for a free account, you can turn on applets that help your apps and devices work together to do specific things they couldn't do otherwise. Browse the IFTTT website or app to find an applet that interests you. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to try another one in the YouTube tutorial. So the speaker connected her Instagram photos or made a backup of her Instagram photos to her Google Drive. So I've already browsed the IFTTT earlier and I saw one of the options there where you can save your pins from Pinterest to your Google Drive. So I'm going to try that. I actually tried it earlier and I've encountered errors seeing my post on my Google Drive. And it seems that I was able to see what the problem now. So I'm going to walk you through it again. For the purpose of this video tutorial. So I'm going to log into IFTTT. I actually created an account already. So let me just try to log in again. So going to sign in. So when you sign up, you can actually sign up using your Apple with your Google account and your Facebook. So earlier I've already signed in using my Google account. So I'm going to try that one, or I can just go ahead and continue with Google. So I've selected this account. So it's already signed up here. So I have actually connected already to back up all your pins to Google Drive. So what I did earlier, I went to the search button and then search just what I saw on the tutorial. She just searched on Google Drive and there are several options there on how to connect other softwares to your Google Drive and vice versa. So I chose this, back up all your pins to Google Drive. So I've already did that already. So I'm going to, so this is what so you will go to this, after you select that part, you will go to this page and then you will just click connected and then wait for the connection successful message. And then you will go to settings and then you will turn on get notifications, and this is what I did. For I've chose the new board that I have created, um, titled Virtual University Training Tasks, and then to check if it's already connected, I'm going to run this check now. So once you see the check completed message, you can go ahead and go to your Pinterest account. So let me try to um, search for a new pin or a new article and then pin it on my board. So I have here suggested articles. So I'm just going to check this one. Um, Job interview questions and how to answer them. So I'm going to save this in virtual university training task and then saved it. Let's see if it will appear on my board. So let me refresh it first. So this photo or article is already saved here in my virtual university training task board. So next that I will be checking, I'll check it if it's saved or backed up in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. So I've already seen this IFTTT folder. I'm going to check this folder if this folder was actually automatically created after I pinned a new post on my um, Pinterest. So let's see if the pin is saved here, or I believe it will take few minutes for the post to show up. So this is my folder, same name with my board, virtual university training tests. Let's see if it shows up here. And as you can see, I have successfully backed up my pins on my Google Drive. So let me check. Let me open this one. Open with. Let me check if it will open it. Open here. Getting ahead in your career. I don't know if it's the same posts that I have. It's not showing up, but as you can see, the post or the backup was successful. My Google Drive created the IFTTT board, the IFTTT folder. Under that is my Pinterest and then my virtual university training tasks board. So that's it. I was able to connect my Pinterest, backed up my Pinterest posts or pins in my Google Drive. So I was able to connect it successfully, and that would be all for my video tutorial, and thank you.